What it do, broski? It's your main man, young DaveyMcFlyy. Too wise, man. Checking in finna drop off that five, broski. It's a lot been going on, you know what I'm saying? I've been off the scene couple days, living life, bruh. It's the holidays, so happy holidays to everybody, man. All my OGs, youngest, day ones, new members alike. You know what I'm saying? Happy belated Thanksgiving, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Happy holidays, period, big dog. You know what I mean? More holidays on the way. Bro, I got so much fire in front of me, y'all finna see it all, so definitely, you know what I'm saying, turn that like button to a pack. We ain't smoking on them, but that like button pack, y'all already know, bro. You know what I mean? If you new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and notified with the notification bell turned on all, cause I give away stuff all the time. I'm getting out of YouTube jail pretty soon, and as soon as I do, boy, a whole lot of love coming with that, so make sure y'all got the notification bell on all. See, I don't miss none of the fun, bro. All that out the way. Shit. Mike Tyson versus Roy Jones, bro. Who you got, bro? Who you got? Hey, Roy Jones always been one of my favorite boxers, like pound for pound. Yeah, man. It's, for me, Roy Jones, Mike Tyson, Ali. No specific order. It's like I can't put it in an order. It just depend on who highlights I'm watching at the moment type deal. You know what I'm saying? So in between Ali, Roy Jones, and you know what I'm saying, Iron Mike, I like Prince Nassim too. He was a showman. Prince Nassim, cold blooded. But yeah, bro. It's like that's my boxing Mount Rushmore, bro. You know what I mean? I don't know how to call which one the best or rank them. So to see two of them actually hit, but this crazy. You know what I'm saying? Somebody finna get that back dirty, man. Who you got? Iron Michael, Roy Jones. Put it in the comment box. Moving along, bro. We got some Supreme. We got some Travis Scott drip, bro. And we got some J's to drop today. I was in the mall. I ain't get my size, bro. You know what I'm saying? I end up hitting on foot action, so you already know a video gonna be on the way. But yeah, I got my babies. I got my babies in the game. You know what I'm saying? Young Rooster, man, Chicky Beezy. Gonna be stepping out here, you feel me? I got them right. Check them out, bro. Hold on. You know, Rooster on the way. Ooh. And go Rooster, little pal.
Mom.
What's up, buddy?
Mom.
Rooster said, Mom.
Mom.
You wanna say what's up? Say what's up?
What's up?
Say mob.
Ma.
You wanna check out your shoes, buddy?
Take out your shoes.
What you think?
Take out your shoes.
You like these?
No, I like these.
You like them?
No, I like them.
Yes.
Yes.
As soon as you get big enough, boy, we're gonna stunt.
You want that?
We're gonna kill them.
You want kid there?
Yes, sir. You got Roosty's pair. He in the game. Go ahead, take a bath, buddy. Man, jump back there. We got Rooster in the game. And a size 7. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what these looking like real quick. Like. And we're gonna check out the drip later, but size 7, these came from Hibbit Sports, and those came from Foot Action. Roosters came from Foot Action. These came from Hibbit, bruh. Nike on the back, man. Hey, these hard. I like these a lot. These super cool, man. Clean pair of shoes right here. Cannot wait to get mine in the mail. Y'all already know, on foot coming and all that, and I'm still retired, bro. But it's a classic, man. You gotta get the OGs, you feel me? Even in retirement, you gotta get the OGs, bro. And now we're gonna check out that drip though, cause y'all know I got some of that Supreme, some of that Travis Scott, and I'm probably gonna be selling some of this Travis Scott stuff, so which one is what. Let's see what's what. This the Preem. We'll do the Preem last. Where that Trav at? So bang. We got the Smile Tee. This one hard. Look at, if you want to see what the graphic look like, look it up on StockX. But it's cool. It's like the Travis Scott action figure, and it's like a cement box that got the word Jack on top of the box, and it got tell them I sent you and all that. Like, this tee is pretty tough, bro. Size large. Not sure if I'm gonna be holding on to it, but all tees that I'm gonna be selling for $60 shipped, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you see it and you want it and it's your size, $60 shipped, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up. My Cash App right here. Boy, Twitter, all my handles, same thing. Real easy to find. Just hit me up on the socials. Hit me in the DM like, hey, bro, that shirt you showed, you know what I'm saying? Let me get that. For the 60, I got you. 2-day shipping at your door. You know what I'm saying? What else we got? Oh, bro, it came with a bag. It came with a McDonald's bag. The Cactus Jack McDonald's bag. That's clean. That's pretty clean. I don't know what I'd do with it other than put backwood guts in it. So, you know what I'm saying? I'd probably just hold that in a cut somewhere. Bam. We got the white sesame tea. Pretty hard. Got the M logo, Cactus Jack. Yeah, it's the sesame tea, I do believe. And the back shit got like the Cactus Jack logo with sesame seeds. Super cool. Check it out. Same price. No. I do this for 50. For the 50 if you want to get at me, bro. You know what I mean? And if don't nobody bite, sooner or later, y'all gonna see me wearing them on string, so it don't even matter. But yeah, as of now, I'm gonna keep them in the plastic, keep them all nice. And this is the Sapphire All-American 92 tee. All-American 92. This one is tough, bruh. I love the colors on this one. This one's super clean. Same price as the first. This one gonna go for the 60. And I have it at your door. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to know what the graphics look like, the names I just said, just search those tees on StockX so you can see the full graphics and see what they're going for. And if you try to buy it and check out, pretty sure it's gonna be more than the prices I just said. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? If you want to catch them for a couple bucks under what StockX letting them go for, hit me up, bro. We'll make it happen. You know what I mean? If not, I price match that thing. You know what I'm saying? We'll get this taken care of. You did. And here, that Supreme bag, I think this our personal stuff. Yeah, I think this our personal, if I'm not mistaken. You know what I'm saying? I think it's like little essentials. Ain't nothing too crazy in this pack. Nah, it ain't. You know what I mean? Got the Preem drawers. Black band around the waist with the white Supreme on it. Pretty sure y'all seen these before. I got the white drawers on now, you know what I'm saying? With the red, white logo. But these the blacks. I wanted the blacks. I really like the white and red ones. And I just like these Supreme drawers, period. So I'm probably gonna keep buying these. These probably gonna be my underwear of choice from now on. I've been a boxers guy for forever. Like, I never really been into boxer briefs. But yeah, I'm rocking with the Preem jackets. You know what I'm saying? What else in here? Box logo sticker, 2 of them, of course. Throw these to the side. Is there some more stickers in here? Feel like there's something else in here, some more goodies in here, bro. Nah, it ain't nothing else in there. Ain't no more special goodies. And I got the black Supreme thermal with the Supreme diagonal all over it. You know what I'm saying? You can see I'm gonna be rocking this probably on stream whenever it get chilly up here or whenever the case may be. This gonna be a dope underpiece. Like, whenever I wear it up under something, that's gonna look pretty clean with them little Supremes going all over it. I like that. And I got the Supreme thermal pants. You know what I'm saying? The little Long John Jones. They got the band on it too. So when it gets super duper cold this winter, yeah, your boy gonna be warm and dripping on in fashion. That's all I got in this haul, bro. you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoying the weekend. Bro, I'm gaming on Funko Bros Twitch, and bro, I'm gaming on all platforms that I have, you know what I'm saying? Soon as I get out of this, soon as I get out of YouTube jail, bro, just let me know what video game y'all want to see on this channel, and I'm just gonna play that game on this channel. All my homies saying 2K, like, you know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm playing 2K on Xbox. I got my dude up to like a 92. Been grinding him out, but like, I got PlayStation 2. All my dogs on PlayStation. Like, David, come on, get 2K on PlayStation, and let me know if you want me to start my career on PlayStation. If y'all want to see another game, you know what I'm saying? Just let me know what game y'all want to see on this channel, and that's what we finna be doing. Yeah, I'm gonna be having to grind out my player on PlayStation soon. Anyway, so if y'all want to see the grind, you know what I mean, let me know. Or if it's another game you want to see on this channel, as long as it's something that I will play, then yeah, we'll run it up. Other than that, I'm up out of here, bro. For my family, yours. Do. Peace. No, it was.